All right, can you feel it? It's almost here. It's Western Heritage Weekend in San Antonio, and today it kicked off with longhorns, wagons, and pure Texas pride. That can only mean the rodeo's almost here. The Western Heritage Parade and Cattle Drive took over Houston Street this morning, bringing a Texas Longhorn cattle drive, mounted groups, and authentic wagons through downtown, all leading up to the San Antonio Stock Show and Rodeo. For the Humphrey family, this parade is a yearly tradition. As part of the Stock Show's Military Affairs Committee, Chad Humphrey brought in the U.S. Marine Corps Mounted Color Guard from California.
Watching the joy and the happiness of my son here, and then just watching all the animals come through, and obviously the Marines looking sharp when they come by.
So Gage there, he looked good in his hat, huh? He competed in the iconic mutton busting competition at the rodeo. But his favorite part about today is just hanging out with Dad. The fun continues tomorrow with Family Day at Market Square from 11 to 6.